one of the most exciting moments for the season. What Arena Plus is doing is giving the platform to bring the basketball to life. A more interactive, a more way to engage players. And this is just the beginning. The more in the coming months, fans can expect more from the app, to experience community features, and to watch parties, exclusive rewards and opportunities to bring them even closer to the NBA. Because for us, this partnership is not just about today. It's about building stronger connection with the game and with the fans. So again, maraming salamat po, and hope to see you again in all the Arena Plus events, and hope you win the MVP channel. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you so much, Jasper. Now, allow me to call on Arena Plus CEO Eric Su together with NBA Head of International Gaming and Data